how to get your Roblox account back without email or phone number. I got you guys. You want to open up Roblox, and here you will see the URL roblox.com/login. You want to change /login to /support and press enter on your keyboard. It's going to take you to this page where we can contact support. Now you will need to provide your username. So what is your current username? I'm just going to type this, and also email address. So you will need to use an email which you have access to. For example, if you don't have access to the email associated with the account, obviously you won't put that one here, but instead you will put an email which you can actually access, and we will need to confirm it here. Okay, so what device are you having the problem on? Here you will choose the device which you use most often to play on. For example, for me it's going to be PC. You can also choose iPad, iPhone. The type of help category is going to be account hacked or can't log in, and the help subcategory is going to be other login issues. Now you want to type this. I will leave it as a template, or somebody else is going to leave it as a template in the comments. Hello, I have lost access to my account. I don't remember the email address nor the phone number associated with it. I can provide proof of ownership of the account, such as purchases, past passwords, and last login. Anything you require, please help me. And we're going to click on continue here. Now, this is going to verify your browser, so we're going to click on Start Puzzle. Find the image that has the price on the left hand by a claw, machine on the right. What? Okay, so now you will need to enter the 6-digit code, which will send to your email, the one that we just sent the message to. So I'm going to enter it right here. Okay, so now it's going to connect you with an AI assistant. It's going to tell you, I'm sorry to hear you're having trouble accessing your account. Okay, proof of ownership. Let me look into your account to see what options are available. Would you like to proceed? It's gonna reset your old email, passkeys, two-step verification, so on and so forth. So you will type yes, want to proceed, and talk to human. Talk to human. So you will send this message. Afterwards, once it connects you to an actual human, then they can further assist you with this issue. So I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.